ready to turn your creative designs into Amazon bestsellers without ever touching inventory. Let's dive into seamlessly integrating Printful with Amazon to launch your print-on-demand empire. First stop, Printful. Log into your account and navigate to the Stores section here. You'll click Add New Store and select Amazon from the list of integrations. Printful will guide you through a quick and secure connection process. Linking your Amazon Seller Central account, follow the on-screen prompts to grant Printful the necessary permissions. Now for the fun part, creating your products. Browse Printful's extensive catalog circumflex euros. From apparel and accessories to home decor, select the item you want to customize, like this classic tee. Upload your unique artwork, position it perfectly, and choose your desired colors. Printful makes it incredibly easy to visualize your creation on the product mockup. Once you're happy, fill in your product title, a compelling description, and set your retail price. This information will automatically transfer to Amazon. Hit that Publish Product button, and Printful handles the rest, creating a new listing on your Amazon store. No manual data entry required. When a customer buys your product on Amazon, Printful automatically receives the order. Will then print, pack, and ship it directly to your customer under your brand. This means you can focus on what you do best: circumflex euros, designing and marketing circumflex euros. While Printful manages the production and fulfillment, it's truly a hands-off approach to selling on Amazon. So there you have it, circumflex euros. A simple, effective way to leverage Printful's print-on-demand power to dominate the Amazon marketplace. Happy selling!